Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send photos or share photos from Lightroom. So it's very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the app itself. And here, let's say I want to send this photo. I select this one. And let's say I have already edited it and stuff. So at the very top, you can see this option right here. Let's tap into that. And here you can literally see a share option. All you have to do is tap in there, and it shows all this option of whether you wanna add to shared album, create watch face, save to files and stuff like that. So you can also see all the socials at the top, and you can choose any of the socials and send video photos just like that. Or at the very top, you can see options of your friend list, and so you can simply tap any of those and share it to your friends. So yeah, for example, you wanna send your photo to Instagram, so let's tap in there and you can choose any of the photo you wanna send. And you can choose any of the friends you want to send this photo to, and your photo will be sent. So this is how you send photos in Lightroom. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.